Most business analysis is highly interrelated and influenced by two aspects, namely enterprise environmental factors, EF, and organization process assets, OPA. In this video, we will first find out more about what organization process asset, OPA. Organizational process assets are the plans, processes, policies, procedures, and knowledge bases specific to and used by the performing organization. Organizational process assets or OPAs will serve as a project manager's best friend on any project. OPAs comprise of information, tools, documents, or knowledge that your organization possesses. Assets are a useful or valuable thing, person, or quality. Most organizations have developed a range of templates, contracts, registers, and assessment tools to assist the management of their projects. Organizations have also acquired knowledge in the form of lessons learned and the organization's knowledge base that can be very useful. Therefore, organizational process assets would include anything the organization has acquired that you can use in the management of the project. They include formal and informal plans, policies, procedures, and guidelines. These are very important for the planning stage, irrespective of the nature of the project. Whether your project is long-term or short-term, OPAs are a must. There are three categories of organization process asset: 1. Processes, policies, and procedures; 2. Corporate knowledge base; 3. Team and SME knowledge. Here's a list of common OPAs. For processes, policies, and procedures, there are 13 examples on this category. Guidelines and criteria refers to any standards set by a company about the procedures and processes operated in that organization. Organizational standards. This standard refers to the policies implemented within the organization. For instance, human resources policies, health policies, safety policies, security policies, quality policies, audit policies, environmental policies, and so forth. Procedures. This refers to all the procedures needed for project approval. Risk management template. Every product may have certain risks. The risks are often identified and recorded. The template of risk management could be reused many times regardless of the type of project or product developed. Standardized guidelines. Guidelines for previous products and projects are kept and standardized within the company. This includes the instructions, proposal evaluation criteria, and the measurement criteria of business analysis. Project closure requirements. The requirements and guidelines of projects and products in the past in terms of lessons learned and retrospective sessions are recorded. Other examples are the audits documents, evaluations, validations, knowledge transfer, acceptance criteria, and so forth. Project life cycles. The project life cycle may vary depending on the organization. Some may even utilize more approaches to the life cycle in building a project. This will increase the difficulties of business analysis conducted. Templates. Most organizations will prepare a template for every process and conduct done within the organization. This will be reused throughout time. The examples of templates are for business cases, plans, business analysis, product or project requirements, backlog lists, models, risk registers, traceability, user cases, etc. Change control methods. The methods include all information on business analysis standards, policies, plans, procedures, and any other newly modified product's business analysis. The changes done to a project that is yet to be validated are also included. Requirements Management Tool. The procedures for the Requirements Management Tool are stored. The guidelines for repositories, backlog management tools, and any other related configuration procedures are beneficial information that is well kept in an organization. Financial control. The procedures used for financial controls are recorded as it may influence the conduct of business analysis. Issues and defect management procedures. This will aid the members in case a defect occurs in the project. All the information includes the issue and defect controls, identification and resolution, and tracking tools procedures. Organizational communication requirements. The requirements on organizational communication, such as communication technology, communication media, security requirements, and any other communication-related procedures, are stored well as they are beneficial assets for the company. For corporate base knowledge, there are 5 examples for this group. Beforehand, we need to discuss two types of knowledge: explicit knowledge and tacit knowledge. Explicit knowledge refers to the information that could be decoded into words, pictures, numbers, so forth. Tacit knowledge, on the contrary, is the inexpressible or subjective personal knowledge, such as beliefs, experiences, insights, and many more. In business analysis, most of the information stored in corporate knowledge bases or repositories is explicit knowledge. They are analyzed, then stored properly within that organization. Without further ado, here are the 5 examples of corporate-based knowledge OPA. Business knowledge. The archive on business knowledge may store all information related to the delivered products and documents. This may either be locally shared, enterprise-wide, product-specific, product requirements, or product models. Configuration management knowledge. This repository will store every information about the software or hardware components that have been used in business operations within an organization. It also includes the baselines of every organizational standards, policies, protocols, and method utilized in the organization. History projects knowledge. This archive keeps all the documents from previous projects or products done in the organization. The examples are the business analysis, performance record, project closure information, results, decisions, risks, and any other significant information recorded about the projects done in the past. Issue and defect management data. Every past project's issues, defects, status, control information, solutions, and actions are stored in this type of repository. In some organizations, they separate the information on issues and defects. This may vary depending on the preferences of an organization. Data for metrics. This archive includes metrics that are utilized when collecting indicators and measurements of a certain business project or product. The last category is team and subject matter expert knowledge. Subject matter expert refers to the person who has high expertise and knowledge on a particular subject or area. In developing business analysis, you may receive a lot of valuable insights from subject matter expert. They may be able to provide information and expectations regarding the project you are working at. Subject matter experts may consist of senior employees, longtime members of the development team, or anyone with advanced qualifications on the related topic. Assets may come in different forms. Not only in written form, but a person in an organization himself is a valuable asset in providing good knowledge about the project. To conclude, organizational process asset, OPA, refers to all the information that could be found in an organization's documentation. This helps to ease the management and processes of a project. Finding related insights from existing records may provide valuable insights to ensure the success of a project. Aside from smoothing the process and project management, it acts as a fundamental record of one organization equivalent to the organization's repository. Great job! Keep moving forward. See you in next videos.